In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11 within just 5 minutes. Many users prefer to manage their files locally rather than in the cloud, and disabling OneDrive is a great step toward more personalized file management. Let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon in your system tray, which you can find on the taskbar. This little cloud icon is your gateway to the OneDrive settings. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click on the Show Hidden Icons arrow to reveal it. Once you've found the OneDrive icon, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a small menu where you'll find several options. You want to select the Settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear or cog and is located within that menu. Clicking on the Settings icon will open a new window. In the newly opened window, you'll see a menu with different tabs. You're going to click on the Settings option at the very top. This will lead you to another panel with various settings that you can customize. Now, direct your attention to the Account tab. It's crucial to navigate carefully through these sections to ensure everything is done correctly. Under the Account tab, you will have an option labeled Unlink this PC. Clicking here will essentially disconnect OneDrive from syncing files with your PC. At this stage, although OneDrive is no longer linked, you might want to completely remove it from your computer. To do this, go to your computer's main settings. You can access settings by using the Start menu. Once you're there, look for either Apps or Apps and Features. The name might vary slightly depending on your system configuration, but it should be fairly intuitive to find. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Don't rush through this part, make sure you locate the correct app. Once you see it in the list, click on it and you'll see an uninstall button. Click uninstall to begin the removal process. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to uninstall OneDrive. Confirming this action will permanently remove the app from your system, freeing up some space and resources on your PC, and there you have it, you've successfully disabled and uninstalled OneDrive from your Windows 11 machine. Congratulations on completing this process. By following these steps, you've taken control of how your files are stored and managed on your PC. Remember, if you ever decide to use OneDrive again, you can always download and reinstall it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and advice.